Paul Ross presents to the market number 1 at 49 Pearson Street, Ashfield. This 2011 built home presents a fantastic opportunity to break into this popular suburb, overlooking a beautifully landscaped park. Set on a 314 square metre block, the home features an open plan family, meals and kitchen area with plenty of room for the master chef of the home. 3 bedrooms with built-in robes, with a floor-to-ceiling tiled ensuite in the master. The second bathroom also has floor-to-ceiling tiles, as well as a separate bath and shower. The outside alfresco is the perfect space to relax and entertain. It boasts privacy blinds and gas bayonet for your barbecue. Other features include skylights, new hot water system and solar panels, smart wiring, reticulated gardens, double garage with shopper's entrance as well as storage, and so much more. If low maintenance is what you're after, then look no further. This immaculately presented home offers first home buyers, singles, couples, retirees and investors a lock-up and leave lifestyle so that you can do more relaxing, entertaining, holidaying, you know, the fun stuff. For more information, a personal viewing or for everything real estate, contact Paul Ross on 0428 571 050.